Welcome viewers. In this video I am going to explain how to find phosphorus level in paddy field. First we have to collect some soil sample. Now you can observe sample of soil. To do this practical we want carbon dust and region 9 with region 8. First we have to get carbon dust into the small dish. After that we have to add region 6 5 milli dot. After that we have to mix properly for the 5 minutes. For that we have to do filter like this. To filter we can use filter paper. We can keep like this. We can use filter tray to do properly filtering. After that we have to get small type of test tube and soot washing by distilled water. After that we should be able to adding region 8 properly. After the adding region 8 into the test tube, we should be able to mixing our filtering object. Filtering object mean we were selecting soil and carbon dust and region 6 object should be able to add into the test tube. When we adding test tube, if will come blue color appearance, we can say those soil has phosphorus level. If will come normal blue color, above soil has low phosphorus level. If will come medium color appearance, we can say those soil has medium level phosphorus. Will come dark blue color, we can say those has contain high level phosphorus amount. Thanks.